welcome back this morning. Whether it's a first thing in the morning or after a delicious, maybe garlic-laced meal, we've all experienced an embarrassing moment of bad breath, right? Well, in this morning's highlight on health, Dr. Trent Buchanan from Greystone Smile Design joins us with advice on how to keep your breath smelling fresh. Maybe for some of those folks going on dates or with their significant other, it's important to know, right?
It is.
Well, first of all, what primarily causes bad breath?
Well, it's mainly bacteria in the mouth, either below the gums or on the back part of the tongue, but it can also be from systemic conditions like sinus infections or even acid reflux.
Amazing. So what do you do if it's something beyond your control and something that goes past just brushing your teeth or, you know, popping in a breath mint? What do you do in those cases?
Well, in those cases, it's best to see your dentist if nothing else works, and then a medical referral could even be necessary for that.
Another thing that is probably important is scraping your tongue. We always hear that that could help. What exactly does that do?
Well, actually, the main cause of bad breath is bacteria on the back part of the tongue, and there's no way to clean that. Saliva doesn't really clean it, so you have to use a tongue scraper to clean that, and it's best to get on the back part of the tongue to do that.
Oh, and that's always rough.
That's tough. It's tough.
I hate that part.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, what about foods that we should avoid? I know that there's some that most of us know about, and we mentioned garlic earlier. That's one of the most popular ones that we know about as far as causing bad breath. But what are some other foods that we should avoid that maybe surprise us a little bit?
Yeah, really any food with a noticeable odor, garlic for one, and then also onions. Also, it's good to not skip meals because eating actually stimulates saliva, which helps to clean the mouth.
Interesting, and I'm sure drinking a lot of water probably helps with that too, right?
Water helps too, yeah.
Awesome. Okay, do mouthwashes really work?
Well, they work, but it's usually just temporary relief, and it's best to use a mouthwash without alcohol. Alcohol can actually dry the mouth, which can actually make bad breath worse.
Wow, really?
Right.
Okay, so look at the label when you're going to your drugstore or to your supermarket to make sure you're getting the right thing without alcohol, right? Okay, and we appreciate, of course, you breaking all of this down for you. Anything unknown that we should know about as far as bad breath?
No, the main thing is that if none of these work, it's best to see your dentist because of underlying mouth infections or systemic conditions. So best to see your dentist.
Awesome. Dr. Trent Buchanan, tell us a little bit about where you are really quickly, if you will, so people can find you.
It's Greystone Smile Design, Highway 280 in the Greystone Cosmetic Center.
Fantastic. We appreciate your time this morning. Thank you for being with us.
All right, thank you.
Stephen?